baby, why's your man not here? Tell me where he gone.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today to share with you guys another quick and easy wall decor for you guys. So let's get into the items that we will be using. Alright everyone, we have these square mirrored wall decor that I got from the Dollar Tree. And then we have these little wing things here. I also got them from the Dollar Tree. I think they're super cute. And I have these gems here that I got from Dollarama. And we have our tools, and our E6000, and our glue gun. Alright everyone, let's get started! Okay, we have our gems here that I've cut into strips, and we're just gonna use our glue gun and glue them going around our frame. Now we're going to take our cute gold wings with some E6000 and glue them into the middle of our mirror. And here's our finished look, which I placed them in the hallway. So this is how they turned out. I think they look very nice. Now I was going to place them into my guest bedroom, but I think they look a little too nice. So I said I'll put them here in our little hallway because it goes nice with the decor that I have in there already. Don't you think they look super cute, guys? All blinged out and with the wings on the plate in the center. It looks very nice. And here's from the other side of my hallway. I think they look very nice, lined up with the pictures that I have there already. I love it. I think they look super cute. So you can take something nice and simple, add your touch to it like I tell you guys, and you know, make it look even better. A lovely home decor for your home. Alright everyone, I hope I've inspired you once again with another lovely, quick and easy DIY for you to do. All you need is your glue gun, some E6000, you could even use some Gorilla Glue or some tacky glue, you know, and your gems and the pieces that you got from the Dollar Tree, and you just bling them out and they look lovely for your home. Alright, don't forget to like, leave me a comment, tell me what you think of this DIY, and if you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and press that subscribe button and press the bell twice so you'll get my notifications when I upload a video that I have to share with you guys of all the new DIYs I come up with. Alright everyone, remember, as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye bye.
Why isn't he here? Yeah. You need somebody else to be there for you, girl. You need somebody that's